Hey food lovers, welcome back to Nom on a Budget, where flavor meets frugal. Today, we're whipping up a delicious couscous that's perfect as a fun side dish or a meal of its own. Let's get started, turn your Instapot on and set it to saute mode. Give it 30 seconds to heat up. Once it's nice and hot, drop in 2 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt down. This is the base of all that buttery couscous goodness. Alright, once the butter's starting to melt, we're adding all of our spices straight in. That's 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a good stir and let that saute for about a minute. This really brings the spices to life and infuses the butter with bold, warm flavors. Seriously, your kitchen's about to smell incredible. Alright, the butter is melted and the spices are vibing, and it's time to invite the real MVP to the party. 1.5 cups of pearl couscous. Toss it all in, no need to be shy, and give everything a good stir so that couscous gets coated in that buttery golden goodness. Look at that color. Our couscous is already working on its tan, just a little sun-kissed and glowing. And let it toast for about 1 minute. We're not going for crispy, just a light golden glow. Think a day on the beach, not burnt toast. Now that our couscous is looking toasty and tan, it's time to bring in the moisture. We're adding 2 cups of vegetable broth right into the pot. Listen to that sizzle, that's the sound of flavor locking in. Give it a quick stir and make sure everything's cozy in there. We're setting the stage for a soft, fluffy couscous greatness. Alright, pop that lid on, seal it up, and set it to pressure cook for 3 minutes. That's it, couscous magic is just moments away. Once the cook time is up, just let the pressure naturally release for 5 minutes. Let it chill. After that, go ahead and do a quick manual release to finish it off. And that's it. Your quick and easy couscous is done. Told you it was simple. It's fluffy, flavorful, and ready to party. I love mixing in a little fresh feta and parsley to take it to that next level. I highly recommend it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like. And if you want to see more budget-friendly meals, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another budget-friendly bite.